Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Tech Basics. We are back again with another video on how to log into Fly2Work. It's very simple. All you gotta do is follow along step by step and you'll be logged in and ready to go in no time. So first, you have to open up your preferred web browser. I'm using Google Chrome right here. Let's type into that. And in the URL, let's type in Fly2Work login and hit enter. Now here, make sure you tap into the official Fly2Work page, which is this one right here. Just tap into that. Now there are two empty fields. Now all you gotta do is type in your credentials. In the first empty field, you have to type in your username, which is, you can type in your email address as well. Just do that. And in the second field, you have to type in your password. And there you go. In order to log in, you can simply tap into the login button right here. And also, if you have forgotten your password, you don't need to worry at all. You can simply tap into this option that says forgot password, and it will help you with that. That's all. Congratulations, you've successfully logged into your Fly2Work account. You should now have access to all the features and resources available to you within the platform. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel Tech Basics for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.